Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. As you can see on the title and the thumbnail, this is a new and updated 2024 Appliance Repair Training Courses. Now, before I get started, for those of you I have not emailed already, I want to wish all of you a happy, belated Merry Christmas and New Year. So let's get started. In this video, you're going to learn that we have updated at least over the last few months 40 plus videos in our membership area. Now, for those of you that are already students or have been students for a while, or those of you that plan to become students, the members, I would highly recommend that you log into the membership area, especially if you haven't done it for a long time, and you will be pleasantly surprised. So what the video you're about to watch is going to give you some information about the new courses and about Cornerstone. Now, there will be consistent videos from now on, so stay tuned to this channel. If you're new, subscribe. I'll see you shortly, and watch the video until the end.
Welcome to the future of appliance repair training. Hello, and welcome to Cornerstone Appliance Training. In this segment, we introduce our newly updated 2024 courses designed to catapult your career in appliance repair. Discover how our comprehensive and modern training will set you apart in this booming industry. First question most appliance techs or aspiring techs want to know is, how much does it cost? We offer very affordable monthly payments, split payments or one-time payments. Our courses are not just affordable, they're very affordable, ensuring that quality education is within everyone's reach. With our straightforward and engaging online platform, plus the invaluable support of live tech assistance, mastering appliance repair has never been simpler. Choose Cornerstone for an easy-to-learn experience that's as budget-friendly as it is effective. Why choose Cornerstone, the professional's choice in learning? Let's dive into why Cornerstone is the preferred choice for professionals. We'll cover the benefits of our updated curriculum, including hands-on learning with the latest appliance technologies, and why our graduates are leading the way in the appliance repair industry. Mastering modern appliances, your path to success. In this section, explore our range of new courses focusing on modern appliances, from smart home integrations to the latest energy-efficient models. Learn how mastering these skills with Cornerstone can elevate your career and open up lucrative opportunities. Self-paced online appliance repair training with 24/7 access, flexible learning for the busy aspiring technician. Don't forget lifetime membership with lifetime updates. Understand how Cornerstone's flexible learning options cater to both aspiring technicians and working professionals. We'll discuss our online modules and how our training is designed to fit your busy schedule, ensuring a learning pace that works for you. Success stories. Cornerstone graduates in the field. Hear directly from our successful graduates. In this inspiring segment, we share stories of how our training has transformed careers, with first-hand accounts from technicians who have excelled in the industry after completing our courses. Advanced techniques and certifications, a step ahead. We offer our stamped seal certification certificate that will mailed to your address. Take an in-depth look at the advanced techniques you will learn at Cornerstone. We will also discuss the certifications you can earn, recognized industry-wide, and how they significantly boost your credibility and employability in the appliance repair sector. Join the Cornerstone family. Enroll today. Visit us at cornerstoneappliancetraining.com or give us a call at 800-215-5495 I-9013877525. In our final segment, learn how easy it is to enroll and start your journey with Cornerstone. We'll guide you through the enrollment process, discuss financial options, and show you how to take the first step towards a rewarding career in appliance repair with Cornerstone Appliance Training. Always be learning. Be blessed.